Hey, it's VW Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service reminder on a 2022 Volkswagen Jetta with the digital instrument cluster. So your instrument cluster will look like this. You want to come over to your controls on your steering wheel here and hit this over button. You see right here, you'll scroll down until you get to distance and time. Select over on the steering wheel button. You'll have this screen here. Now you want to hold this over button for 10 seconds. 5, 10, release, and you'll get the display here. Now you can reset your oil change now. Hit OK. OK. That resets the oil change. Then you also want to reset the inspection service as well. So you'll go down and reset inspection. Okay. And that's reset. And also in this menu, you can reset time and tire pressure. So I'm going to reset tire pressure because I am rotating the tires on this one. That's okay. And we're all good. I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed this video today.